It's just a 1 week gap, and we are back again with the language video class. Today, I would like to draw your attention to a very popular way of getting you full marks in the language in the composition, which is ITC introduced to you so that you can really score good marks. That is notice writing. Although you have been taught, yet many of you are not yet familiar with the format. And today I would like to start the notice writing with the format from the scratch. So let's get into it. So we are starting the notice writing, and to do that, let us start from the some basic information. Basic information, you can see this is the more or less the format, and I would like to draw your attention to say, when you do the notice writing, there are two ways of writing. In the computerized way, that is, you start in the middle of the page, and from there you spread both the side from the half. So middle half is here, and from here both the side is spread. Is like when you do in the computer, you see with the arrow where it is, you put in the middle, so everything starts with the middle and spreads, so that what happened, the notice should look balanced and attractive. Anyways, so the marking scheme for the notice writing is more important than the notice itself, because what you write from there, according to this is a little bit of diverted, maybe this is the new way, but frankly speaking, each line has got marks. Therefore, you have to concentrate on whatever you are writing on each line. So the first line for the notice writing, whatever the topic comes, the topic has to be written in a called creative title manner. So here the creative title is what the topic maybe was some kind of, it's a debate competition, you see, and they have given in the sample example, they've given war with words, which has got 1 full mark. And most of you do not take this seriously. So please take seriously, create some new words, and even if you don't create some new words, write the words in such a way that it will look attractive, sound attractive. War with words, 1 mark. Do not make any spelling mistake unless you change drastically. Then the second line says about what is the topic. The topic will be always given in the question, and for that it is I knew, as far as I knew, it is when the training we were told that is a half mark, but in this new marking scheme it is given 1 mark. So that also is very important. And see how it is written: inter school debate competition, I capital, C capital, D capital, C capital. This is the basic thing that you write. When you write the title of any book, any event, you always give the first letter capital. Then your format is on, from, at. Is it necessary that you have to write on, from, at? No, it is understood. But if you write on, from, at, notice on is not written with capital or bold letter. From, F is not capital with or bold letter. Neither A is with capital or bold letter. If you write on, from, at, then you are supposed to write with small letter. Now this time, this is 10 September 20, dot dot we understand, because this is an example, this is a format, it's a formula. Okay, for which, for this line you have got half mark. Now either you put comma or you don't put comma. You have not put comma, you have not put anything here, no need. So no comma, no dot. But here from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, or say 2 p.m. a.m. Please notice of the notice writing. Please notice a.m. small letter dot m dot. Open your dictionary. It will tell you what is a.m. refers to. After morning. But this is not the meaning after morning. We say meaning, but it is a Latin word. Anno morning something is written there. So am, a dot m dot, small a, small m. These are all very small thing. So from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, half marks. At Sandra Hall, that's supposed to be one of the, this is not ours, comma, St. Lawrence School. Ours may be at McFarlane Hall, De Nobili School. See that? There is no dot, no comma, no dot here. But there is a comma in between. Why? Because this comma denotes, refers that this particular Sandra Hall is part of this school. This side 1 mark, half mark. Remember, this is not you are supposed to write. Now why this half mark here, half mark is given? See, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1, half plus half, it is half, is 1, this 4 marks is in the format itself. And what you write in the notice writing, just what you write in 2, 3, 4 lines, just 1 mark only. So if you have to score 5 marks fully, then you need to concentrate the first these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. This 5 lines itself has got 4 marks. Sorry, the second example. So the first example, everything was written in the middle. The second example is now from one side. The alignment is from the margin. So again and again I just remind you the same thing, dear children. Make your presentation neat, clean and attractive. It's a very awkward for us to feel so, we feel so uneasy and not so comfortable to see your, some of you writing starting from here corner, then one sentence is here, the another sentence is here. No, this alignment, use this alignment. Notice is supposed to be catchy, is supposed to be seen by everybody. So you have to use this aesthetic sense, the sense of beauty. Let it look nice and attractive. So just remember the difference between this sample or this example with this one. This one is written in the middle. We are following this one, and from the middle it spread both the side. So it is equally balanced. If it was not here, then you could see that it is equally balanced. This one is easy. It is from just one side in the straight line as you start all your answer from the margin. Now this one topic is obviously write and notice whatever it is regarding the inter-class talent search. This blessed one, the topic will be always given in the question paper. So whatever is the question paper, copy and paste. Just copy and paste. So your creative title is a creative title. Everybody has. That's the way of abbreviation, short form of writing. Everybody's got talent. Again, 1 mark. Inter-class talent search, 1 mark. Date, obviously. Sometimes they write Tuesday. See, you can write date, time, venue, you can write, there is no doubt. But see how it is written, how nicely it is written. Date, then colon, then you see these three are in the same line. This is how, see, you people nowadays are all the time using computer, then laptop, or say tab, or even your mobile. But learn the style of writing. It's called press writing. Press writing. See this line, date, time, venue. These are all different. This is a four letter, but five letter. I mean five alphabet. But still, when they are writing this 3 1, they are starting in from the same alignment, same line. So if you have noticed, whenever I give you the notice for online classes, check I do in the same way. Just check it. I do in the same way. Learn it. Whenever you give a notice, the notice should be attractive. So date, this is, now you already know what you have to write in the date. You can put the date day also, but then comma, then 24th July comma, at the end dot is not required. Time is 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. See again, a dot m dot small letter, p dot m dot small letter, and the venue, the auditorium of St. Lawrence or St. Paul's School. Straightway, that comma is not given because in the place of comma of is written. If you have not written this of, then you have put the auditorium comma St. Paul's School, and then whatever is the topic you are writing. Your marks is again 1 plus 1 plus half. Then this whole line, and see this line has got half, full 1 mark. The particular venue and of which school together makes 1 mark. So with this introduction, let us deal with first example. Question: write a notice informing students about a charity fair that is going to be organized in the school to collect donations for the needy group of the people around your place. Now see the creative title, how it is written and how it looks also. The entire notice, how it looks, that you must see how it looks. Okay, it is better that you must see that how it looks. Care campaign. What is the topic? Charity fair. So care campaign. How I have written, even in your exam paper also you can write like this. Your exam paper also you can write this, but for just one thing, as you want to draw your attention, students, you are not allowed to use red and green color. I have written here with red and green just to make a contrast to draw your attention. So care, see, just made it bigger. So use your discretion. Use your sense of beauty, artistic beauty, creativity, how you can draw or catch the eyes of the readers. Again, topic is given charity fair. So charity fair for the underprivileged people in West Delhi. That is the topic is given for them. Again, on, from, at, as we have explained there, the timing is all given here. And you see what is we are supposed to write. All the peoples from 6 to 12 are hereby notified that the Internet Club is organizing a charity fair. Charity fair, point to be noted. Charity fair, C capital, F capital. Children, please note this. Note this. You people don't write this way. Charity fair, that is the event. So that event has to be highlighted, has to be properly written. Charity, C capital, F capital. Charity fair to collect donation for the poor and needy people of our neighborhoods. You are heartily welcome and invited to this fair. It's a fair like fate. Okay, Please collect your entry coupons as well as money coupons with the coupon that you will buy your foodies from your respective class teachers latest by 26 September 2020. Got? Second example, another topic. Write a notice telling the students and teachers, teaching faculty, teachers also of a school about the audition of a dramatics competition. In simple word, drama competition. So dramatic competition to be held after a month or so. See how I have it's called given you to show you the again a new style. Drama act. Drama act. Here nobody will check your grammatical mistake, but you should make some sense. It should be related to the topic that you are writing. Not you don't write anything, any fantastic title you give, but it has nothing to do with our topic, then obviously it has no value. So drama plus act, A becomes common. I have written the A differently. Drama act. Why drama act? Because dramatics. The topic is given from the topic, annual dramatics competition. Timing is given. I have not written any on. Okay, on, from, that, or at. I didn't write that, but simply I have given the time 17th September. You see this dot, just to match it you are writing this last dot. If you write, it's not wrong, but if you don't put this comma inside, then it is wrong. That comma you have to put inside. 17th September comma 2020. Okay, if you don't give this dot also, correct. If you give, correct. How it is written? 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Again that small letter A dot, M dot, and then finally the Diamond Jubilee Hall, comma, of Deneville School. We are not writing off because comma you have put, and then the rest of the notice follows as it is. The debate club is going to organize the annual dramatic competition within a month. This competition will be conducted in 2 groups. See, the notice should give you the clear-cut ideas. The notice that you are writing should give the reader the clear, crystal clear ideas what is the event going to take place. So the group will be in 2 groups. Group A will comprise the students of standard 6 to 8, and group B will comprise the students of standard 9 to 12. Interested students are requested to form your own groups comprising 12 members. Each group will be, it's a group competition. Okay, drama you cannot have just only one. Okay, it is not mimicry competition, it's a drama competition. So drama you have got 12 members only, and register your groups names of course, okay, with the secretary of the debate club by 12th September 2020. Remember, it is debate club. So some children, they start with debate club, but then they give at the end, give your name to the secretary of the Dosti club. So this much changes also we have seen in the exam. They don't even know, they concentrate that which club is organizing. The debate club is organizing, obviously at the end the debate club also, the secretary of the debate club. Okay, good. Now do you see how it is written in the pattern? This is not straight line. It is all because it is computer. I have not written, computer has taken this way, easy to write in the computer, but when you are writing in the exam, you are using your, it is called pen and paper. So therefore it is better to write from the one side. It is better, because you cannot keep this one, it is taken by the computer itself. Shall I show you? It will be different, you see. And if I take this also, now if you write from the beginning, it will be looking like this. Okay, it will be looking like this if you write in the exam paper. It's okay, fantastic, no problem. But if you have to write in the middle this one, then it will look like this. It is so easy for me, in just one key and one command, it changes. But for you it is difficult because you have to need to practice. I think 2 examples more than enough. So with this we come to the end of this, and hereafter I do expect that you all write the right way of notice writing so that everybody can score full 5 marks. God bless you. Take care and hope soon you will come to school. I think that was 8 minutes and this is 10 minutes, no?